Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a payment method on Roblox. Alright, the first thing that you need to do here is to either open up the web browser version or the Roblox player. Alright, now once you have it opened, you're going to want to go to your settings right here at the top right, and also make sure that you are logged in. Alright, once you made sure that you're logged in, just click on the gear icon right here at the top right, click on that and go to settings. A quick note here, the payment methods cannot be updated from the Roblox mobile app. Alright, again, changing your payment method or deleting it is not available on the Roblox mobile app. Alright, now once you're in here, what you're going to want to do next is go to this tab right here, alright, and select payment method. Alright, once you select on it, it will show you this exactly like this. So what you're going to want to do next is just select the payment method that you want to delete, and there will be a delete icon right here. Just click on that and follow the simple prompts and you'll be good to go. And that's basically it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.